Good night, everyone. Today, our group will present about pronunciation and intonation by me, Elvina, and my partner, Nur Khalisa. Next slide, please. So, the first is the importance of correct pronunciation. Clear pronunciation is key to effective communication. It ensures your message is understood and keeps your audience engaged. In this presentation, we will discuss the significance of pronunciation, tips for improving it, and resources available to help us. And next, please. The first is keyword. List the keyword used in presentation. Example, architecture. Emphasize the need to recognize these keywords both in speech and when used by others. There are certain keywords often used in presentation that are crucial to pronounce correctly. For example, the word architecture. Mispronunciation this word can hinder communication and make our message less clear. It's essential to recognize these keywords both when we speak them and when we hear others use them. Next slide, please. And the next is presentation length and vocabulary. Typical presentation 300 for 50 words in 10 minutes. Impact of technical terms and fast speech on comprehension. Importance of pronouncing key technical terms correctly. An average presentation contains around 300 for 50 words in 10 minutes. The use of technical terms and fast speech can affect word count and audience comprehension. Therefore, it's important to focus on correctly pronouncing key technical terms to ensure the audience can follow along effectively. The next, please. And the next is online resources for pronunciation. The first resources is tools. Google Translate or Outcast, howsay.com, learnersdictionary.com. The benefits is accurate pronunciation example, stress patterns, and encouragement to use these tools are practiced. There are many online tools that can help us to improve our pronunciation, such as Google Translate, Outcast, and learnersdictionary.com. These tools provide accurate pronunciation examples and stress patterns. Encourage you to use these resources to enhance your presentation skill. And the next, please. The next is practice techniques. The first is a scripting presentation, making script emphasis and pronunciation, and rehearsing a lot for confidence and fluency. There are several effective practice methods to improve pronunciation. For instance, scripting your presentation and making up the script with emphasis and pronunciation cues. Practicing a lot is crucial for building confidence and fluency. And the next slide will be continued by Nurkhalisa.
Okay, thank you, Alvina. Next about presentation tips. Here are some practical tips for delivering clear presentation, such as speak slowly and clearly, and then avoid filter sounds like and and vary your speed, volume, pitch, and tone to keep the audience engaged. And then handling difficult words. To handle difficult words, break them down phonetically. For example, with the word architecture, divide it into syllables and focus on the correct stress and vowel sound. Understanding syllable stress and vowel sound is vital for tackling challenging words. Yeah, for the conclusion, clear pronunciation is the key points is essential for effective communication and confidence presentation skill. I encourage you to apply the tips and use the resources we have discussed to enhance your presentation abilities. Okay, that is our presentation. Thank you.